Assalamualaikum and hello all my dear viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you the very delicious and unique prawns dum biryani recipe. So let's get started. For this I have taken almost approximately 1 kg of washed and cleaned prawns. And now we are going to marinate it by adding the following spices. First of all, add in salt according to taste. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of haldi powder or turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, and half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, which gives very good color to our prawns, and approximately 1/4 teaspoon to half teaspoon of black pepper powder, and 1.5 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Now mix all the ingredients using your hand so that it gets thoroughly mixed up with the prawns. And now add in few chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves, and also add in 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil for better color and aroma. So by adding this oil, the flavor or the bad taste of the prawns will not come in the biryani, so do take care and use this as a tip. Marinate it for 1 to 2 hours. So here I have washed almost half kg of basmati rice and I have kept it on the stove. Now I'm going to add in few pudina leaves, split green chilies and few whole spices like 1 star anise, 1 teaspoon of shazira, and I'm going to add in cloves, 1 bay leaf, and 3 to 4 cardamom, and let it cook until 80%. Until the rice is cooked, now let's prepare the gravy for our biryani. Now I'm going to heat a kadai and add in 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil. As the oil gets heated up, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of shazira, few cardamom, long or the cloves, 1 javitri, and all the ingredients I'm going to fry it for a second. Now I'm going to add in chopped potatoes. So here I have chopped 2 medium-sized potatoes. Now cover it and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. So after 3 minutes, you can see our potatoes are cooked up to 20 to 30%. Now give it a mix, and here you can see the rice is almost being done. This way, if you cook, it saves time. So there the gravy is also being cooked, and here the rice are almost done. And there the marination of the prawns are also being completed. So here the rice is done. Let's strain it. I have strained the rice and I have kept it aside. Now the prawns are also get marinated very well. Now I'm going to add in the prawns into our biryani. Now give it a stir properly from the bottom and cook on high flame for 1 or 2 minutes. Now let's add in the spices that are required for the biryani. First of all, add in 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, and almost 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder into it. Now mix all the ingredients again properly. And now I'm going to add in water by mixing in the same bowl that we have marinated so that it contains some spices. And now mix it continuously. If you like my recipes, do hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such amazing recipes. So after cooking for about 1 or 2 minutes, I have added in chopped coriander leaves, mint leaves, and a few green chilies, and cooked for another 5 minutes on low to medium flame. And here you can see our prawns are done and almost the gravy for biryani is done. Now finally add in 1 cup of fried onions or birista on the top and give it a final mix. So here the gravy for the biryani is done. Finally add in 2 to 3 teaspoons of lemon juice for a tangy taste. If you want to skip lemon juice, you can even add in amchur powder. Here now let's add in a layer of rice on the top. Here I'm keeping it simple and not adding 2 layers of rice. If you want, you can even make it 2 layered by taking out some gravy and putting another layer of rice and another layer of gravy. So after putting a layer of rice, I have garnished it on top with fried birista, and a few chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves. And finally, for better aroma and taste, it's very necessary to add in 3 to 4 teaspoons of desi ghee, which really gives very good aroma and taste. And finally, I'm going to add in yellow food color dissolved in milk on the top. So here it is almost done. Now cover it and cook it on high flame for 5 minutes first. So here I'm cooking it for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, now lower the flame and cook for another 10 to 15 minutes on low flame until the biryani is done. So here you can see our very delicious and tasty biryani is ready to be served. You can see how the grain of the biryani is very much separate. So this is going to be very delicious. Do give it a try and let me know your experiences in the comment section below. Chicken biryani will be very much enjoyed always. So do try this prawns biryani and let me know in the comment section. We'll meet you in the next recipe. Allah Hafiz.